Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about sunshine charged water or also fairy water. I put them two together and you might be thinking what on earth you talking about. So here we are. This is how I am using sprouting jars during summertime. I don't fancy sprouting during summertime. I am more into greens and microgreens because everything is growing in the garden at the moment. But I find it especially useful for doing this. And what is it? So basically you leave a glass with water filled in and you leave it to soak in the sun for a couple of hours, and it should really heal you and energize you. And I was thinking, you know what, why don't I use the power from my garden as well? So I've got various wonderful flowers in bloom at the moment, and I also add them here for super booster. And what did I put in? So I've got some roses, some fireweed flowers or rose bay willow herb, some borage, and also heather. I never try heather in my water, so let me try this. I am drying some heather flowers for tea later on, and also French marigold. So whatever I've got, I just walked by and I forgot I've got also flowering fuchsia, so I might add something to it as well. And I just leave it for a couple of hours in the bright sunshine, and then I will strain it and drink it. And what is nice about the sprouting jars, you've got this on the top, so you won't have any creepy crawlies, you know, drinking and going in. So this is very useful tip. And then I just nourish myself. So let me know in the comments below. Do you use sunshine charged water, or do you usually infuse your flowers from the garden, or do you put them two together for super booster? I really find it refreshing, and especially in 2023 we had such a horrible summer. Basically we had no summer, let's face it. Now we are in early September and the weather forecast, it's like for summer the next week should be 25 degrees, but you know what, they said so many things and I don't know whether it will be nice and warm next week. So what I'm doing right now, I'm charging myself to you know, get really recharge my batteries and get some wonderful properties from, you know, Mother Nature. So let me know in the comment below, what is your favorite combo? Do you do this, or are you gonna try this for the first time? Always check the weather forecast, but take it with pinch of salt. And if you see some you know, sun coming, get your jars ready, check your garden, what flowers you've got there, and you know, you can make this wonderful drink. So enjoy it. You can enjoy it with your family and friends, sitting in your garden, having lovely chat. This is great for kids as well, you know, in case for adults you would like to drink maybe some alcohol. So this is a lovely alternative for children. I hope it inspires you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love. And that's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.